Have you ever been building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to WIP Wednesdays. WIP Wednesday! Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com. So welcome back to another WIP Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you like this episode because it actually took a lot longer to do than I expected, but I'm going to keep it short for you because it is just WIP Wednesday, and this is just blowing through the work in progress. If you're new here or you're just looking for ways to make your Gunpla building pop and a little bit better, a little more stylized, and maybe give it a little something extra special, then you're in the right place. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. That being said, let's go ahead and get into the assembly, and then I will of course leave you with a little bit of a photo shoot and a 360 of the completed kit. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is just basically coating everything in a primer coat. It's going to be a gloss primer in this case, and it's a lacquer base. It is Alclad 2 gloss black base. It's a little silver label bottle like this one. And I really, honestly, I don't thin that down at all. It seems to be good to use rather than bottle, but I might be mistaken because I also usually airbrush at a little bit higher PSI than most. Then of course I hit it with the Molotov. I keep messing this up. It might be Molotov in pronunciation, but it's spelled Molotov. The chrome refill right here. That's what I got. You can hear that that little ball that's inside there to mix this up. This is an alcohol-based product, and it gives a really good chrome finish, but it will react to oils in your hands and things like that, and certain other products. It's rough to be able to seal this stuff so that you won't blemish it, and it'll keep a mirror kind of chrome look to it. So what I used to do that is I coated that with a Alclad 2 lacquer gloss clear coat. So this stuff is pretty solid as far as being able to really protect it. I mean, it's a lacquer as well. For the red parts, I actually used a Alclad 2 lacquer aluminum and the clear red from Tamiya. This is always hard for me to thin down, by the way. Like, I always mess up and thin it too much at first, and then I have to go back and add more. But yeah, that's what I used to go over the Alclad aluminum, and so that gave it the red look, but it was a candy coated metallic red. Alright, so this is all of the different things that I used to paint this kit. Yeah. So just so you guys can see a little bit better, this is very close to, it's been handled a lot, this is very close to the mirror chrome. And I have, you can see colors actually reflected from my shirt, my teal shirt. And because it's been handled a lot, it's not really clear, but you can see a clear reflection of my thumb right there in it. So this, it does not show very well on camera. For some reason, the glare and everything kind of messes with that. And it does get a little fogged just from having to put color on top of it and a protected clear coat. But this is the closest thing that I've found to chrome thus far.